it's Jamie, and today I wanted to show you inside the WordPress dashboard just a tiny bit, some of the things that I think would benefit you from knowing. The first thing is the WordPress updates. You can find it conveniently under dashboard and updates, and you can see inside here we have the latest version of WordPress, the latest version of all of our plugins, and the latest version of our themes. If there are any updates available, you will see them right here. And it is really good to come in and check on this on a regular basis. Maybe you set this as your first task on Monday mornings, or maybe this is your Thursday afternoon task. I recommend doing it at least once a week. When you do your updates, I recommend using Backup Buddy to back up your system first so that you have a nice good backup in case something goes awry. And then I recommend updating WordPress first. When that is finished, then updating any of your themes that you have. And finally, after you've checked after your WordPress, you check and make sure your website still works fine. After themes, you check and make sure your website still looks fine. And then you go ahead and you do your plugins. So then you check and make sure everything still looks fine. And that will keep your site a little bit safer because you've got a policy in place. You make sure that things stay up to date. And so there's one other thing. If I did have updates available, you would also see them in this bar right up here where you've got the comments. You would actually see an update field right there. So it's another easy way to see that you have updates available. I just jumped into another site real quick because I wanted to show you something else. First off, on your dashboard, you now have a number next to your updates if there is an update that needs to take place, or more than one. You also have that next to plugins, so you can see that. And finally, you have it up here at the top. You have this circular thing with a total number of updates, and that can just take you right back there. So updating your website is really important. It's super easy to get WordPress to tell you what you need to update. And it's just a matter of actually making the time to do it. So again, Backup Buddy is your friend because it helps you keep a good copy of things before you get overly, committed to the updates. Then it's always WordPress, check your site. Themes, check your site. Plugins, check your site. You can do each of them one at a time. So if you have 4 themes that need updating, you can update each theme at a time. Same goes for plugins. Generally, when I update plugins, I update them if they are a premium plugin from a trusted source that I've purchased from. I update those first, and then I update each of the individual plugins that come from the WordPress repository one at a time separately, just to keep the integrity of my site there and ready. So if you have any questions, go ahead and email me, jamie@simplyjaime.com, or head on over to the website, use the contact form, simplyjaime.com, and I will see you next time.